Okay everyone, I got the Shack Burger. Let's give it a try now. Oh my. Oh my. Good morning everybody, it is Harmony of the Seas, day 2. We are here in perfect day at Coco Cay, and today's going to be an amazing day. The time is currently 11 o'clock. I did sleep in today, and boy, I got an amazing day for you guys. We're going to go out and get a bite to eat at Coco Cay. Let's do it.
Sometimes there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Sometimes we're not ourselves.
Okay, we made it here to the Pier Coco Cay. We're waiting for one of the trams to come and take us to the plaza where we're gonna hop on another tram take us to Oasis Lagoon Pool and the Snack Shack. Alright, so we just did the tram and that was very cool. Very, very efficient. Again, those were all electric trams, very environmentally friendly here at Coco Cay. We're gonna go ahead to the Oasis Lagoon Pool and the Snack Shack, so let's do that. Okay everyone, we just got to the Snack Shack, and I guess we're gonna try out the drinks they have here at the Snack Shack. So right here is the lemon lime drink. This is, I'll try it and see how good actually it is. Yeah. So this drink right here has like a lemon lime Gatorade taste to it. So pretty good, highly recommended. And then right here we're gonna be trying the tropical mango drink from the Snack Shack. Tastes like watered down mango drink. It's pretty good, but not my favorite. Now this is the strawberry kiwi. I think I'm gonna like this really much. Yeah. By far, and if I had to pick out of 3 of these, I would pick the strawberry kiwi one. It's absolutely amazing. Anyway, here's what I got for food at the Snack Shack. Okay everyone, I got the Shack Burger. Let's give it a try now. Oh my. Oh my. This is right here. If Coco Cay does on all their chips, this burger, hands down, this is probably one of the best burgers I ever had on a cruise. Alrighty everyone, now we are going to try the mozzarella sticks here from the Snack Shack. Let's give it a try. This is as good as the ones at Applebee's. That's right, the ones at Applebee's are almost, these are actually even better than the one at Applebee's. Okay everyone, we are now going to be going in the ocean here at Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Okay everyone, we just did the water. Boy, the water is crystal clear. Anyway, we're going to go do the Oasis Lagoon Pool. It's going to be an amazing time. There's a live DJ here, so let's do it. Okay, I I just did the pool, and that is a party scene, one of the best out there. Again, the pool is has like a rubbery, memory foam floor, so it's perfect on your feet. You can sit there all day. There's a live DJ mixing it up, almost a very good DJ. And anyway, we are going to head to the pirate ship now, and my brother really wants to go do it, so let's do it. Wow, everyone, that is an amazing play structure. I love it. I love the idea of Royal Caribbean. A great idea. Anyway, we're going to head back to the boat now and board the Royal Caribbean's Harmony of the Seas. Okay, everyone, made it back aboard the Harmony of the Seas, and let's go back to the room. Okay, everyone, it is now time to go to Studio B and go watch Frozen in Time, I guess is the name of this, the ice skating show. We're gonna go see the ice skating show, so let's do that. Okay, everyone, that ice skating show was amazing, guys. Again, that was 1887, aka Frozen in Time. Highly recommended it. Again, this is on board the Harmony of the Seas. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead to dinner now and get a bite to eat. Alright, everyone, that is it for day 2 on board Harmony of the Seas. Hopefully you did enjoy it. Again, tomorrow we are at sea as we make our way to the beautiful port of St. Thomas. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button right down below and click the notifications bell so you'll be notified every time we upload another video on this Harmony of the Seas series. And also drop me a big like down below, and remember, I'll see you next time for another video.